You're busy all day, but at the end of it, nothing important gets done. You wake up motivated. You tell yourself, today I'll be productive. But somehow, it's already night, and all you did was scroll, snack, and stress. And the worst part? You're not even lazy. You're just stuck in a system that makes distraction easier than progress. So, what's actually going on? Why can't you get things done, even when you want to? Let's break it down. First reason. Your brain is overloaded. The moment you wake up, notifications, messages, reels, random thoughts, plans, pressure. Before you even brush your teeth, your brain is already tired. It's like opening 25 tabs at once. Everything slows down. And when your brain slows down, you don't focus. You escape. Scrolling, watching, doing fake work. Things that feel productive, but avoid the real task. Second reason. You're waiting to feel like it. I'll start when I feel motivated. Sound familiar? That's the trap. Motivation is unreliable.
It comes and goes. If you depend on it, you'll barely move. You don't start because you feel good. You feel good because you started. Third reason, your tasks are too big. Complete the project. Study for 5 hours. Fix my life. These aren't tasks. They're pressure. And your brain hates pressure. So it delays. If a task feels heavy, it's already too big. That's why you avoid it. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is trying to protect you. Fourth reason, you're addicted to easy dopamine. Scrolling, short videos, instant rewards. Your brain gets used to fast pleasure. So when it's time to work, it feels slow, boring, hard. And your brain says, why struggle when I can feel good instantly?
Your brain is not broken. It's just trained to choose easy over meaningful. So how do you fix this? Not with motivation, not with complicated systems, just real changes. First, lower the entry. Don't try to do everything. Just start small. Open the work. Do 5 minutes. That's it. Because starting removes resistance. And once you start, continuing becomes easier. Second, remove distractions before they remove you. If your phone is near you, you will check it. Not because you're weak, but because it's designed that way. So don't fight it. Make it harder. Keep it away. Turn off notifications. Because if you rely on willpower, you've already lost. Third, create a boring environment. Sounds weird, but it works. If your environment is exciting, your work will feel boring. But if everything is quiet, your work becomes the only thing to focus on. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Then your brain adapts, and focus becomes easier. Fourth, stop overthinking.
You don't need the perfect plan. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to start. Messy, slow, imperfect. Because doing something badly is still better than doing nothing perfectly. And here's the truth. Your life doesn't change in big moments. It changes in small, boring, daily actions. The days you don't feel like it, but you still show up. That's where progress happens. So next time you feel stuck, don't ask, how do I do everything? Ask, what's the smallest thing I can do right now? And do that. You don't need a perfect system. You need a system you actually follow, even on bad days.